Imagine a quiet field long before the modern world existed. No engines roar, no cities glow at night. Only wind, wood, and open sky. Now imagine humanity learns to fly 200 years too early. This is a world history never prepared for. A world where the Wright brothers are born in the 1700s and everything begins to change. It is an age of horses and sailing ships. Empires rule through oceans and cannons. Travel takes months instead of hours. Messages move at the speed of footsteps. The sky is untouched, belonging only to birds and clouds. Until one invention breaks that boundary. In a small workshop, two brothers experiment endlessly. They study wings, balance, and wind. They watch birds instead of reading books. Failure follows failure. Wood snaps, fabric tears, then one day, lift happens. A machine rises from the earth. It stays airborne. Humanity leaves the ground. Witnesses stare in disbelief. Some run in fear. Others believe they are seeing miracles. News spreads slowly at first, then faster than anyone expects. Kings demand demonstrations. Scientists argue its impossibility. Priests question its morality. But flight is undeniable, and it cannot be reversed. The first airplanes are fragile, slow, and dangerous. But revolutionary governments recognize their power instantly. Scouts in the sky change warfare forever. Armies are seen before they clash. Surprise becomes obsolete. High ground now belongs to the air. Empires race to copy the design. France builds gliders. Britain experiments with engines. Spain tests airborne messengers. The sky becomes contested territory. Naval dominance slowly fades. Air superiority is born centuries early. Exploration transforms overnight. Mountains are crossed in hours. Rivers are mapped from above. Unknown lands are revealed quickly. Maps become more accurate. Borders shift faster than ever. Colonial expansion accelerates dramatically. Trade evolves at lightning speed. Urgent goods travel through the air. Messages arrive in days instead of months. Diplomacy accelerates. Wars ignite faster and end faster too. Cities redesign themselves. Landing fields replace open land. Towers rise to guide pilots. Architecture begins reaching upward. The sky fills with invention. Science surges forward. Physics advances rapidly. Meteorology becomes essential. Navigation evolves centuries ahead of time. The Industrial Revolution accelerates dangerously fast. Religion and philosophy struggle to adapt. Humans flying feels unnatural. Some call it divine progress. Others call it forbidden arrogance. War grows deadlier. Bombs fall from primitive aircraft. Walls no longer protect cities. Civilians face danger earlier than ever. But unity also begins to grow. People see the world from above. Borders look smaller. Oceans feel closer. The idea of one planet begins to form. Rules of the sky are written early. Air laws replace sea laws. Global cooperation becomes unavoidable. By the time electricity arrives, aviation is mature. Jet engines appear far earlier. Space travel becomes inevitable. The Wright brothers become legends. Not just inventors, but men who dragged humanity into the future too soon. So the question remains, did early flight unite the world? Or did it make humanity dangerous too early? Because once humans learn to fly, history never slows down again.